Hi, welcome to another LV unboxing. This is from the resale market. This item is actually used. I did purchase it off Poshmark. This video is not sponsored, but if you guys want to know anything about buying off Poshmark, anything over $500 does get authenticated by their experts before you receive it. This item, I did want it. This item, I think it's from like the 2019 collection, if I'm not mistaken. Um, it's a pochette mettis in the color. I'm not sure. It's like a rose color. You guys will see right now. But every time you do purchase from Poshmark, like I told you, you receive it. It gets authenticated, and then the seller did send me a cute little card. I did buy it with the box and the dust bag, of course. Resale value on these items do cost more, obviously, than purchasing it straight from Louis Vuitton. Sometimes you do get lucky and you can get them below retail value. This one, in this case, I did pay over retail value, of course, but I did want it. It's really cute. Like you guys can see the color. It's like a rose or like a cream color, and then more like a white color or more like a blush color. It does come with gold hardware, zipper in the back, as you guys can see, very, very cute. I do have this one in the rose color. I think it's called rose, in the pink color. But I wanted to add a different item to my collection, which I love how it's a two-tone and you can style it with a lot of other items. How you open this one, you have to press down to the side a little bit and then you open it. It does come with a strap, and it does come with that three little compartments, as you guys can see. This one is made in the USA, as you guys can see. And then if you guys don't know, for the date code on this bag, since it is an older model, it's in the back. This one's not microchipped. Like I told you guys, it's from 2019, I believe, 2018, 2019. So it doesn't have a chip. Now the bags in the store do have a microchip. So it's harder probably to see when you're buying them off the resale market. But this one, as you guys can see, gold hardware, which I love. And it's really cute. I'm going to put the strap on so you guys can kind of see, but you attach it on the sides. This bag is very, very, very cute. I would say it's a medium-sized bag. It does fit a lot of items. Shopping-wise, if you want to go to the store to purchase stuff, it is harder to be opening it and closing it. But just to carry, your bag, it's very, very cute, unique, and it's very kind of subtle. I feel like it doesn't stand out, even though it does have the print on it. It doesn't, the monogram print, it doesn't like stand out as much as it would if it was on canvas. I'm going to show you guys the other one that I have. You guys probably seen it in my last video, but I do have it in the pink. That one is also, I think, a 2019 model, and I also bought that in the resale market as well. Obviously, of course, like I'm telling you guys, I overpaid for them, but I think they're really cute. It was something I wasn't able to purchase back then. And now that I am, I'm glad I bought them before the prices go up. So if you guys want to see any more videos, like